video because I just got done making a sandwich. Alright? And if you can see, there's lettuce on my sandwich. There's lettuce, right? So if you guys have ever bought lettuce before, right, like that, you guys know as soon as you open the bag, in like 3 days, it starts getting discolored, starts liquidating, starts losing its texture, and just doesn't have that same texture as what was in the open bag or the closed bag. So one of the things that I do, all right, today is the 12th, January 21st. All right, so one of the things that I do is as soon as I open my lettuce, I use one of these. Boom, a slide zipper bag. So I'm going to show you guys how I close the bag and make this lettuce last significantly longer than what is recommended. Stay tuned. You take one of your slide zipper bags and make a pack storage, which you can find in the description below. Your 80 pack or whatever you want in the description below. So here's your slide zipper bag.